Let's take a quick look around My Learning Hub's LMS. So where we are now on the user side, this is where any of your employees or staff will come and they'll first experience My Learning Hub. You can see the first thing that grabs your attention here is this banner scrolling across the screen. Now these are completely customizable with text, with background, with colors and pictures. And you can see here it's quite dynamic. And what it does, it brings attention to new elements that you might want to share with your users. So you might have a new event, you might have new training, you might have a learning path, or you might have a new survey you want people to take. And from here, you can link it using this button, which you can customize the text and the URLs for to direct users to anywhere else inside of the LMS. So new course, new training, new event, nice easy way to get people involved. Next, below that, you have 4 different easy click buttons here. We designed this so users would only need to click once to get anywhere inside of the LMS. So if we start on My Competencies, or it can be renamed to Learning Paths, we can see different training paths within here. You can build your own and learners can self-enroll. They can be enrolled based on their user role. But if we put 4 courses in here, it could be like a customer service course on email etiquette, telephone manner, handling complaints, for example, and it can all be assigned in one nice easy bundle. So going back to the main dashboard area, learners can also see what training they've been assigned to here. They can also see any reviews from their peers, and they can click and begin the training from within. Back to the user side again, we've also got events here, and the final tab we're going to look at is the My Learning library. The library itself can connect to LinkedIn Learning, can connect to Coursera. It's integrated with our built-in authoring tool, and again, very simple design, very easy layout, and nice easy ways to break down the information and filter into different learning platforms, different categories or competencies, for example. We've designed the interface to be as dynamic as possible, so it keeps the eye attention on the screen. As today we're competing with companies like Netflix, Disney, Facebook, Twitter, all with great user experiences. And now it's more important than ever that their learning experiences match up to those high quality tech platforms. From the top here, we can also look at surveys, training paths again, and also achievements. So if we go inside achievements, we can see the overall progress in training, either uploaded certificates or certificates that have been assigned automatically inside the system. And then finally, the overall leaderboard. It's super easy to start building surveys in here. It's a drag and drop builder. You can create lots of different styles of questions and then gain reports inside the admin side of the LMS to see overall percentage of answers and also who answered what specifically. So let's jump over to the admin side of the LMS and take a look around the user management and the reporting side of it. Depending on your permissions, you can have access to the admin side and then break it down so they can access certain areas of the platform, but maybe restrict some areas based on their role. Manage users, we just click on user tab here, and from inside the manage users area, like you can see throughout the whole system, we'll have these nice easy filters to use. We can break it down by department, status, role, country, for example. And all we need to do from there is select those users and then assign them to an event, a training path, a team, or a course. We can also log directly in as users by just selecting one of them. If you keep looking down here, we can manage events from in here, create surveys, build learning development plans, and also see the reports of our users. In here again, you've got the nice easy filter system to break down by, again, course, status, country, team, whatever you need. And we can customize these filters based on the data you've put inside the system. So we've got overall progress of everyone in the company here. We can also restrict reports to be accessed only by specific roles, and also so that within professional boundaries, managers can only see their team, for example. We can schedule reports from here. We can set it up so every Monday, for example, the managers can get their overall team statistics on compliance. This platform also plugs into MS Teams and Slack, and I'll show you that now quickly. So as you can see here, we've got an MS Teams and a Slack bot integration. Now notifications, reminders, and also searching for content is all possible via these channels. And the reason they're so powerful is because engagement starts in the software that you're already using day to day. When implementing a new training system, it is hard to get people to go into that training system in the beginning. But by sending notifications and being able to search for content in an existing piece of technology they use every day, we've seen some great increases in engagement, especially early on in new LMS uptake. If you'd like to have a chat with my Learning Hub about your LMS or e-learning needs, we also do custom content creation. You can do that via clicking the Book a Demo call on our website.